Houston Roofing and Construction is here to provide you with the best metal roof installation for your Katy, Texas area home. Upgrade your home with a metal roof that is 100% recyclable and eco-friendly. Metal roofs are low maintenance and can last for decades without needing repairs. The non-porous surface also helps it resist dirt buildup and environmental pollutants, offering an easier maintenance routine. Then there's the aesthetic appeal. Metal roofs come in a range of styles from traditional rib panels to shingles that mimic wood. You can choose to paint it with a special coating that reflects ultraviolet rays and infrared radiation, protecting your roof's color for years. Finally, metal roofs are lightweight, making them easy to install with a small crew. This also helps reduce the overall load on your building, minimizing the risk of structural damage. Choose Houston Roofing and Construction to find the right metal roof for your Katy home. We offer flexible financing options, RCAT certification, hassle-free services, quality control, and a Better Business Bureau A+ rating. Call us at 832-237-3737 for a free cost estimate. We're here to make sure your roofing needs are covered.